Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 7x16 Colorado cargo trailers. These are set up to be multi-use units, so if you guys are looking for something that you can build out, make your own toy hauler, or you just want something that's insulated with windows, AC power, that's exactly what these are. Set up to be multi-use units to get you a lot of use. This one is 7x16, does have an extra interior height in it. It is a 7-foot interior height, so this is going to be a great unit for UTVs, ATVs out there. It's also in our matte gray exterior. This is a thicker aluminum skin. It's like what we use on our Colorado off-road trailer, so it's a nice exterior skin to use. You also have the black diamond plate rock guard and the Blackout package. Generator box and platform on this tongue, so you've got a place for that generator to ride. It's a great place to store it. You also have the diamond plate rock guard on the bottom and those corners. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. You also have an exterior GFI outlet. That's that little box that you're looking at. Couple of party lights off the side, so you'll have some great exterior light at night. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels as well, and stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have the spring assist close on it. It also has our rear deck option, so you can use it as a ramp door or fold the jacks down and use it as an exterior deck. Load lights off the back as well, so you guys can see what you're doing at night. And again, there's that 7-foot interior height. It's going to give you about 6'6" at the rear ramp door. We've got a lot of videos on our YouTube channel of us loading and unloading razors in different trailers, so you guys can see that setup. This one also has insulated walls and ceiling in it, and the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, so it's easy to take care of and keep clean. Performance Nudo floor with dry Maxx. This is a great floor set up to last. 4 D-rings for some tie-down points as well. And then you've got 3 interior windows. These are an 18x44 slider window with a screen. It is tinted. You can lock them, so great multi-use there. And then for lighting options and power, we do have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's right up there on the front. The battery is great because it's going to run your 6 interior puck lights, so you've got 3 of these guys on each side. It also runs your load lights and your party lights off the side. So normally you'd have to be plugged into a generator or your campground or a truck to have light, and that eliminates that for you. So it's a really nice feature. You also have your 30 amp service. You've got a nice clean twist lock plug on the front. There's your breaker box right there. And you can plug into a generator, a campground or extension cord, and be able to bring 110 power into your trailer. That's going to power up your interior outlets. You do have 4 of those guys in here, plus that exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to bring power into your 4-foot LED light across the ceiling, and it's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys can heat and cool these trailers as well, which is a great feature. Backside of the RV lock gives you an actual deadbolt with a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. Here's a bunch of light switches to control your lights on the inside and outside. 3-year factory warranty. This unit weighs 2,000 pounds, gives you a 5,000 pound payload capacity. And you guys can view all of our inventory online, as well as purchase any of our trailers online at getmytrailer.com, or send us an email for a quicker service at sales@getmytrailer.com. If you guys are watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe, and you guys can go right to the website and get all the specs, see more pictures, again, purchase the unit and submit for a shipping quote and get this trailer delivered right to your door. It's that simple and easy. So again, getmytrailer.com or sales@getmytrailer.com, or you guys can always give us a shout at 303-688-8485.